In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your serpentine belt on your Toyota Camry. It's located on the side of the vehicle. I'm on the passenger side, under the hood, and below this mount, there's going to be a bolt that's above the tensioner. Once you pull back on it, you're going to slide the belt off the alternator. And then you can release your tensioner. Just let it go back. Remove your tool. Now we're going to remove the belt all the rest of the way. Just slide it down. And you can either pull it out from the top or drop it out from the bottom. Remove your hubcap using a pry bar. Just get it in there. Slowly go around. And once it's unhooked, take it off. Remove your lug nuts using a 21mm socket. Remove your wheel. Now you can remove your belt the rest of the way out here. We're going to put our serpentine belt on. To do that, you're going to go through past the water pump pulley and get your belt onto the crank, which is the last one on the bottom that's really big. You're going to let the side of the belt that's closest to the front of the car go off to the side and go around the AC pulley, which is the first one closest to the bumper on the bottom. So you're around the AC pulley and the crank. Now you're going to push the belt in and put it under the tensioner just to get it in the right position. You still have that opening in the wheel well if you need to look down and make sure you're in the right spot. After you take it around that tensioner, you're going to go all the way to the back and get it around the power steering pump pulley, which is all the way in the back. So just push it all the way through. And then kind of gently get it close to that alternator. You can even put it on for now, if needed. Now I'm going back in the wheel well, and I'm going to reach up and put it on the power steering pump pulley. You can take it off your water pump pulley at this point. Anything that doesn't have a ledge for a pulley, and just slip it onto that power steering pump. Now I'm going to go back up, make sure everything's where it belongs, and I'm going to slide it back onto my water pump. And now we're ready to slip it onto our alternator. Take a peek down, make sure you push that belt onto your power steering pump. And now we're going to get our 19mm socket and ratchet or a breaker bar and push down on your tensioner. Slowly, evenly, apply a good amount of pressure till it stops. And then you're going to put your belt on your alternator. If it's a little snug and doesn't want to go on, You can take it off your water pump because that one does not have a lip on the pulley. If it's a new belt, you're going to have to do it this way. You're going to put it on the alternator and then slip the belt on the water pump. So now we're going to pull down on our tensioner, go nice and slow and even. Once you get it all the way down, you're going to slip the belt onto the alternator. And if you can't do that, you're going to slide it off the alternator, slide it off the water pump, put it on the alternator first, and then slide it onto the alternator. Depends on how much space you get. Once you're on, make sure that everything's where it belongs, and if it's not, pop it back on and release. Put your wheel on. Start your lug nuts. Make sure you have the tapered side in. We're going to tighten these in a star-like pattern. I usually put the lower one on the bottom and I walk the rim on. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to torque our lug nuts to 76 foot-pounds. Line up your valve stem with the hubcap and slowly push it on using a rubber mallet. Go around the perimeter.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.